That's right, and then you prepare for the canter again if you've got energy. And sit down. Sit down. Yep. Yeah, and when you're ready to canter, you sit down. That's right. Follow the canter. Take a little feel in the outside rein to turn her. But don't lean forward. Yeah. She has to look to the inside. Good. Good. Hey, stay up. That was a good transition, but you fell forward. Yeah, you did. Your legs went square. Yeah, when you square up, she trots.